Doing it now.
You take a video?
Yeah.
We are on the mall countryside train. we're gonna get a good ride here.
We're on the train, countryside mall.
On the train, dude. We're about to go. Where's our driver at?
One time. New York. Did you say New York next stop?
Yeah, I think we're going to New York.
That's what he said.
Dude, we're going right to New York. $3 for a ticket to New York, dude. Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Here we go, dude. Look at that, dude. Look, we're going, dude. Look at this. Oh, this is so badass, dude.
This is so awesome, dude.
Dude, this is a great way to go around the mall, dude.
This camera is the best. I love that thing.
Get a backdrop there. Broke down. They were broken down.
We're broke down, dude.
I think the train just broke down, dude. Too much weight capacity, dude. Our fat ass can't fit on this thing. We're going to the New York.
Dude, we're in the fucking train, dude.
Can I get a blizzard? Mint chocolate chip?
Second blizzard. Mint chocolate chip.
The dying for two, dude.
Yeah, dude, that's it.
Hey, we're cruising the train, dude. Look at us. Oh, dude, we're going all around the mall. Dude, we're going everywhere. Dude, people have to walk around us.
Dude, I'm pissed. I'm pissed.
Dude, this is great, dude. $3, dude. That's $3.
That's $3 ever.
This is probably the best $3 that you could buy right here at the mall, dude. I just want a ticket.
I'm riding this every time I come now.
I know, dude. It's fun. We gotta go. Dude, I want to ride a Tyrone too. Imagine that.
Bad.
Oh, dude. After Metro, Brookstone.
Have you ever been in the Golden Pros?
No, I haven't. I don't know if I ever got gold to trade. Cash for gold, dude.
Cash for gold.
Cash for gold. You gotta slow down. There's too many people. Dude, imagine there's just a crowd of people. We just go right through them, dude. Dude, imagine the zombie apocalypse, dude.
Oh, on this thing?
In the mall. We're in the train, the mall. Zombies everywhere.
That's so badass.
Dude, what store would you go to prepare yourself? Alright, let's say it just happened right now.
I'd run over to Dick's Sporting Goods.
Dick's Sporting Goods? Yeah. Get a nice bat, dude. Oh. Dude, look, the ice rink, dude. Get the ice rink.
Ice rink, dude? What is it, your mom?
Nah.
Yeah, oh shit.
Oh, past the Tiller, dude. We get a whole tour around the mall, dude. A whole tour.
Whole tour, dude.
Pack some. Got an easy game. Here's some more 3 to come out tonight. Tonight. Dude, midnight release, we'll ride the train around while we're waiting.
About to make a pit stop at GameStop.
Someone's got a whistle blown that. Off security, dude. Everyone's looking at us. Everyone can enjoy the train ride.
Everyone can enjoy it.
Everyone.
Everyone.
Here come the cars, dude. Pick a car, any car. Dude, that Nissan looks pretty good. I'll take the Nissan.
I'd take the Nissan.
Dude, the Kia looks pretty good too. The Kia is a shit brand.
I can put your head up.
Dude, what if someone jumped the train and robbed us? Like in the old days,
Dude, they
rob us in the train, dude, in the mall. Oh, dude, what if we went outside with this thing? He's running faster than the goddamn train.
The train's badass.
It is. Look like a boy. Looping around the back right now. Look at this, dude. Looping around the back. Dude, we're going all through the mall. Dude, what if we go the escalator, dude? We're going uphill.
Wait, what, dude?
Dude, imagine the guy drunk. We're going to crash into Paxton, dude.
Can they get a DUI on there?
Maybe. Dude, imagine the mall cop pulling us over.
Probably get a TUI, training.
Yeah. Training under the influence.
Hey. You have a milkshake?
Stopping again. To the Verizon store.
Yeah, let me get a mint double chocolate chip.
Mint chocolate chips. Dude, what if they just threw it right out of you on the house? like they had one pre-made. Like they actually made one and they threw it right at me and I get a nice mint chocolate chip, dude.
Shit.
Like crashing the Paxton, dude, the class.
Oh.
You know, imagine driving right into Tilly's. Right into Tilly's.
That's shit, dude. I seriously just hit it.
Going around the ice right there.
Badass, dude.
Isn't it? We went like all around the mall.
We need to do this again.
Dude, I was just like the Katie walking by. Imagine. I thought I just saw him, it wasn't. Where are we going now? I think we're back to the train station. We're getting there. Almost.
What if they give us another ride?
Maybe. Dude, imagine we ran a $100 bill, said we want all day, all night ride. Dude, just do right here in you. Dude, you know it'd be a good sketch video for YouTube? We dress as mall cops and pretend this is our mall vehicle. We got a store robbery. We're heading there right now. Like you film us driving. We're like, you hear the train. You hear the train noises. Dude.
Dude, that'd be badass.
Oh, we're going down the ramp, dude. Back to the train station.
I don't want to stop.
Well, I think that was a good ride, though, dude. I wonder if we can get another one for free. Dude, pretend to be sleeping, just think they do. Maybe they wake us up and I gotta get the hell out.
Yeah, dude, they probably would.
Well, that was train ride in the countryside.